Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. It's another little short video that me and my son's going to do. We wanted to say hey to y'all. Hey.
Hey.
All right, y'all. Let's turn this thing around and open up some cars.
Daddy, you pooped it.
Yeah, I kind of did, didn't
No,
I?
you made an L. You made a J for me. You made a J for me. You made a
All right,
J for
y'all.
me. You made a J.
We're going to open up a 57 Chevrolet. Here you go, baby.
That's another one of my favorite.
Yeah, your favorite. Open her up.
Hollywood. This is another one of my favorites. That's another one of my favorites.
If you don't want to roll off.
Yeah,
Up next, y'all, is going to be a Dodge Charger to drift police car.
That's seized open. That's a Matchbox. That's a Matchbox. Now this is a hot version. What's on the bottom? It's all Matchbox.
All right, y'all. Up next, y'all, is going to be the Volkswagen Beetle, the Love Bug, 2021. Here you go, baby. Open her up.
I towed up a bad car. That hot went on to be a beast. Here's Matchbox. I might not need help with this Matchbox.
Okay, up next, y'all, is going to be a 75 Chevrolet Caprice. Yeah, you're going to need help on that one, baby. Wait a second now. Wait a second. You're going to need help on it.
I thought I didn't need help on it.
Yeah, remember Matchbox are hard.
How about you up to me? I thought that Matchbox was going to pop open. Here's the next one. This Matchbox might let's pop open.
Up next, y'all, is going to be a 79 Chevy Nova. This is a Matchbox.
I thought they were going to pop right open, like I said so. What a nice blue. What a nice blue. Here's the next one.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be a 74 Caprice. Wait a second. That's a Matchbox there.
I couldn't have did that. I couldn't poke the hole in it.
There you go. Now you can pull it out in the front. There we go. All right.
I think this is the last one. I think this is
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 17 Lamborghini Urus, new for 2020. Open up some older cars, y'all.
I did it fast. Boom, boom, boom.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be a 71 Porsche 914.
I bet that was probably.
Here, baby.
I flattened it.
Open up, baby.
It has a plastic in it.
It sure does, don't it?
Probably for a temper.
You get it out, baby. There you go. And that should fall right out. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6.
It's good. It cracked. I pushed it good enough it cracked. I pushed it big and I pushed.
Check that truck out.
I never seen a wet on these trucks.
Yeah. Check this big joker out, y'all.
I don't see one of them trucks up there.
I think I got a blue one somewhere. But let's open this right here up. Next, y'all, is going to be the 2016 Alfa Romeo.
Daddy?
I can't even announce it, y'all. Maybe y'all can announce it.
I don't know what's that. I think
Here
you
you go.
showed it to someone.
Here you go. No, I see it from here.
Where?
Here you go, open it up. I'll show you after the video, baby. Come on, open them up.
My guys are good.
You don't got much longer on the video. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 2019 Mazda 3.
What is that? A Mazda? Looks like that's a Mazda.
Yeah, it is a Mazda. Got
Who?
two Mazdas, yeah, but two different kinds.
What kind of Mazda is this one?
This is a Mazda 3 here, baby. Up next, y'all, is going to be a Mazda CX-5. Here you go. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Subaru SVX.
What is that? Why is there going a hole in it?
I didn't want to poke a hole. That was the mirror coming through.
A mirror? What's a mirror?
The side mirror, baby, was poking through.
Why?
See the side mirror there? That's what was poking through.
Why? That's a weird.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be a Lamborghini Aventador. I'm going to take that shit up and it was a Hot Wheel.
I know how it was.
That was pretty good.
Where's
All-
the other one them? Where's
I'll
that?
show you, baby, after this video. All right, y'all. That's going to be it for this video right here. So let's turn this thing here around. We can say our goodbyes.
Look, I see a book kids up there.
All right, y'all.
I see a book.
That's going to be it right there. We just want to say our goodbyes real quick.
Bye.
Bye. What you say?
Peace out.
Peace out, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
This is a